These are my glasses that broke.
Everyone's going right.
What the hell is that? A big ass light?
I think so.
No, it's a pump. Pump to clear the water out. Hey, everyone's pushing right! I'm clearing them out. I got two. Hey, cover me. My fucking shit is fogging up bad, man. And doorway straight ahead. You see what I'm talking about? They're trying to pop through there. That's one of our guys shooting. Yeah. He's shooting from the doorway. So watch yourself. I'm gonna cross. Are they in the woods? Hey, they're all up here. Watch still. Hey, straight ahead, once you get past this little berm, I saw an orange tip. Hey, we got...
Hey!
I'm gonna pass you. Hey, they're pushing through the woods! Oh shit, my bad. I'm right here. Yeah, I think they're all pushing through the woods. Woo! You see anything? Woo! Shit! Hit. Get man walking! Get man walking! Oh man. Hey, we ran up to the spawn, me and him with the rag. Crushing. I just got hit. Hey, move up to the spawn. We were all the way up in the building where the chickens took the pictures.
Hey, they're pushing back over here.
I just broke my trigger finger. I mean my trigger.
They're pushing from the spawn.
Is there someone over there?
I have no idea.
Hey, I got guys over here. Oh shit.
Let's stay here and cover move.
Hey, cover. Hold this real quick. Fuck. My shit gets foggy.
You ready to move in that? There?
Hey, watch out. There's a guy up there. I got backside. Watch this. Keep going. I'm shooting above you. Keep going. Yeah, I'm right here with you guys. Hit, good shot. Dead man walking. Woo! Bro, I was running, I got shot, and look what happened to my trigger.
That trigger. It's still on there.
I know, but fuck. I had some good footage from this game with that AK. When they first all tried to push right, I was lighting them up.
You need to get rid of that orange tip.
No.
You cannot throw that.
Were you in the woods?
Yeah, I smashed it. Oh, it trigger doesn't work.
No, it does work. I got it on safe right now.
I think I saw you try to go in the woods for a second.
Yeah,
Did I shoot you?
no, you shot my dude in front of me, and I saw like 5 of you guys. I was like, I don't have my sniper. There's no way. Bro, when you guys all tried to push fucking right coming through, I smacked like 4 guys before they're like, all right, we gotta hit the tree line. Hey, I got you right at the end. That was me.
I felt it. I saw the shit poke back up.
That's from me?
Nah, dog.
I was gonna say,
That's from our Spectre red and gold pistol.